Hey, hello guys, Brian back here with a Kadena update. All right, it's finally good to see something moving in the market out here. It has just been an abysmal week for the crypto market. If you look at the bubbles here, this is for the day, but there's the week. You know, not real beautiful out there, and the month, jeez, just kind of a just a horrible month out there. So hopefully things will turn around. You know, you can't live in the past, so let's move on and try to make the best of it here. Obviously, got a little bit of green popping up there, some more. So anyway, Kadena, that's what we're here for. And just to highlight, guys, Bitcoin it's at 26,000 on the dot. It's down 155 bucks. Not doing a whole lot. The Dow Jones has regained a key level here. This thing, I did a video yesterday. It ended up breaking this major support area. Okay, but it has retaken it with a bounce today. We got that daily RSI just heading up on this thing. So hopefully we can get a nice bounce out of the Dow Jones, and that'll pick the rest of the market up here. And if you're interested in learning how to read charts, guys, and stuff like that, I have a level 3 membership you could go sign up for. There's 7 videos in there now. I'm gonna add another one here within the next day. I put one a week in there, over 4 hours worth of content, teaching you how to read charts, draw trend lines, use Fibonacci's, you know, falling wedges, cup and handle patterns, all kind of everything in there I've learned over the last 4.5 years is in there. There's some pictures in there that you can copy, you know, of formations, you know, falling wedges, cup and handles, rising wedges, everything, you know. You can screenshot and save for yourself, you know. You can check it out if you want. A regular membership to the channel is 99 cents a month, but just to like and subscribe is great. I thank you for all the support, guys. You're the best. So let's move on here, okay? This thing has had a high of 58 cents today, and right now a low of 44. All right, you can see the. We can open this chart up. You can see this resistance, this blue line that this thing's broken out of. All right, we hit our first yellow line that was on here at that 58, roughly 58.5 cents. All right, that's where it got stopped out here. This could be moved up just a hair. There we go. Let's lock at there. I haven't looked at this chart for a little bit, but daily we got nice volume coming in, 1.86 million. This nice green candle right here, and it looks like what's going on here is a back test. All right, on the hourly. Wow, this has all happened within the last hour. I didn't know that. I literally just turned my computer on, and I thought this would have been over a few hour time frame here, but this is within the last hour. All right, this thing could be back testing this now. Usually, and I teach that in my videos, you get a breakout. Never buy big green candles. Wait for the back test. It'll come back and retest that area as support, and that's where you should get your bounce from. All right, now, whoops, sorry about that. I always forget to right click that thing when I'm using it. Now if we zoom out here, where would this thing be retesting at? Let's look at the daily. All right, if there is a looks like right down here possibly. Let's put a trend line here. This looks like a very good area for this thing to be retesting as support, which is down at pretty close to 50 cents, 49.90, right down here. All right, probably get a pullback to there. Let's put it on the 30-minute, 49.98, right here, this yellow line. Let me double that up so it's easier to see. All right, if we put it on the 15-minute, there you go. All right, actually it ended up pulling back the whole way down here and retesting. All right, so we can pull that down here. That's where it ended up pulling back, you know. So that's why I always say do not buy big green candles. You know, if you would have bought way up there, now you'd be stuck. You would already be down, you know, 14% on this trade if you would have bought in up there. Always wait for that pullback, guys. Just a little free tip, you know, not financial advice at all. Just a tip out there to help you out, you know. Just always wait for the pullback. All right, the 1 hour RSI is getting near the top. The 4 hour just turning up. All right, the 8 hour is right at the top here. It's at a 81 and a 78. Look at that straight line up. And the 12 hour is at a 87 and an 88. The 12 hour is actually flipping bearish, but the daily is at a 74 and a 60. It is bullish. All right, so let's look at some targets here. All right, if this breaks the 58, call it 59 cents. If it breaks 59 cents, the next major resistance, is up around 70 cents for this thing. It has a little bit of resistance right through here at, what is that, 60, roughly 66 cents. 66 cents right there. All right, so I guess that would be your first area. If we break up back up above that 59 cents, watch for 66 cents as a major area of resistance, and watch for next would be 70 cents. All right, your major areas of support are obviously 48 cents down here. All right, and we should break back up above that 51. What is it here? Yeah, that 51 2 area. We should break back. I'd like to see this thing come back up here, bounce around in here for a little bit, and then try to take on these next ranges. Okay, so keep an eye on that. We definitely want to regain that 0.5125 area. Okay, this could pull back to that 48 cents again. That support line down here. Right, if we open this up here, and I know that would come back in that blue range here, but this thing could, end up dwindling around in here for a little bit before it finally rips out of here. So don't be surprised if it does. That first initial blast out of here had volume backing it up. So if we continue seeing volume come in, that'll definitely help this price to push up here. All right, but I see a retest going on right now. Absolutely, and you can see that on the 15-minute when you zoom in. All right, you got the initial blast out, you got the pullback down, the retest. Now we're starting to get the bounce. All right, so keep an eye on that, guys. Watch out for that first area to break. There's 51.5 cents. All right, so thank you very much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.